What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, bali dito guys, ay isi-share lang natin yung online contract verification dito sa Dubai. So, northern part of UAE, Dubai, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah. Kung ikaw ay magpapakontract verification, pwede yan online guys. So, kung ikaw naman ay Abu Dhabi, so meron tayong other vlog niyan guys for contract verification for Abu Dhabi. But for this video guys, is related lang po ito ng Dubai and northern part of UAE. Syempre guys, kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Dagang salamat sa inyong support dito sa aking channel. Kung meron ka mang comment guys or clarification, just comment below and I hope na makapag-response or makapag-reply ako dyan sa inquiry or clarification mo. Punta lang tayo sa Polo Dubai Contract Verification. Then dito sa Individual Contract, click lang natin to. Then dito guys sa Online Contract Verification, ngayon click lang natin to guys. So pag nakasecured ka nga ng online form for online contract verification, so may mga number siya, no? So for example sa dito guys na form 102. So kung makapag-set ka ng schedule dito, kasama ka dito sa form 102 na to. After that guys, then click here to apply. And guys, just fill out the form. So all the form, pag nakasecured ka ng slot, then fill upan mo lang itong mga form na to. For example nga nito, company with company visa. Kung household. Tapos yung details mo, personal details, contact numbers, tsaka yung name ng company. So lahat yan guys, yung form na yan, pipill upan mo lang. Then attachment, upload mo lang yung contract na meron ka. Scan to PDF guys. Then attach mo na rin yung passport mo tsaka visa. So i-attach mo yan dito. After that guys, pag na-submit mo na, makaka-receive ka ng email dun sa registered email mo. Thanks for filing out. So kung dun nga sa form 102, dito kasi guys nakapasok tayo sa form 103. So kanina sample lang natin yung form 102. So, kung saan ka nakakuha ng slot, yun yung marireceive mong form number. So, tuloy-tuloy lang yung form number na yan, guys. So, dito nga sa form 103, nandito na rin yung details. So, nag-file tong form 103 na to, start from 27 to 29. So, na-receive nga siya nung June 6. Then, yung releasing nito, guys, is June 10 to 11. So, nakaschedule na lahat yan. So, ito yung details pag once naka-receive ka na, evaluation notice. So, application is approved. So, what to bring? So, ito yung mga details dito guys. Tapos, yung payment is 40 dirhams. So, ito yung dadalhin mo pag once na claim mo na yung verified contract mo. So, yun nga guys, doon sa schedule natin. So, on time talaga yan. I-claim mo siya between 12 to 2:30. So, yan yung punta mo doon. So, bali, ito na yung pinaka-appointment mo na ipapakita mo doon sa guard na you need to collect your approved contract verification. So, other reminders guys, kung hindi ka makakapunta, pwede kang mag-ano ng representative. Then, yung representative dapat meron siyang authorization letter tsaka copy ng passport or Emirates ID. So, ito yung sample ng authorization letter guys. So, yung pangalan, tsaka yung Emirates ID number. Tapos yung applicant name, tsaka yung date of issue. So, ito lang yung dadalhin ng representative kung hindi ka makakapunta para kunin yung verified contract mo. So, additional note lang dito guys, no, yung contract pag di mo nakuha will be discarded in 1 month. So, make sure that you need to collect your contract kundi uulit ka na naman. kasi wala pa siyang payment. So dapat bayaran mo siya, kunin mo yung copy mo para maging valid. So yan nga guys, once naka-receive ka na ng approved email from consulate, then kung hindi ka available, pwede kang magpadala ng representative. So yung representative mo is at least dala niya yung authorization letter with the attachment of valid ID, Visa or Emirates ID. Then pwede niya na kunin yung verified online contract doon sa consulate. So pagdating mo doon sa Dubai Consulate, papakita mo lang yung online approve application mo doon sa email mo, then pasok ka na doon sa loob, then doon ka na magbabayad ng 40 dirhams doon sa counter ng Dubai Consulate. Then doon mo na rin makukuha yung copy mo ng online contract verification. So yun lang po guys, I hope na nakapag-share na naman tayo ng details dito sa ating vlog ngayon, how to do the online contract verification dito sa Dubai and northern part of UAE. So daghang salamat guys sa inyong panunood. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, hit the button below, and comment kung meron kang clarification and question. See you next time guys. Bye-bye!